Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today, the spotlight is on a crucial component for any audio enthusiast or professional looking to build or repair their own cables: the Signal Flex SF05S 14-inch phone plug. This isn't just any connector, it's presented as a reliable repair component, and after examining its features, it's clear why. Right out of the pack, which conveniently includes two of these plugs, the quality is apparent. The nickel finish gives it a professional look and ensures good conductivity and durability, resisting corrosion over time. These are designed as standard stereo plugs, offering versatility whether one is working on mono instrument cables or stereo patch cables for keyboards, headphones, or studio gear. This dual capability means fewer different types of plugs to stock, simplifying the DIY process. One of the standout features, and often overlooked in cheaper alternatives, is the included spring relief. This small but mighty addition is absolutely vital for the longevity of any custom-built cable. It protects the cable from bending sharply at the point where it enters the plug, significantly reducing strain and preventing premature wire fatigue and breakage. For anyone who has experienced a cable failing due to stress at the connector, the value of this spring relief cannot be overstated. It's a testament to the plug's design as a truly reliable component. The SF05S utilizes solder terminals, which is the preferred method for creating robust and secure connections in professional audio. While it requires a soldering iron and some basic soldering skills, the benefit is a connection that is far more durable and reliable than crimp-style connectors. The terminals themselves appear well-spaced, making the soldering process straightforward for those with a steady hand. This ensures a solid electrical connection that won't degrade over time, crucial for maintaining signal integrity. Its round shape is standard, fitting comfortably into most jacks without issue. The male-to-male description in the product details refers to its function as a male plug designed to terminate a cable, which then creates a male-ended cable. This plug is ideal for crafting custom-length instrument cables, patch cables for pedal boards, or even repairing existing cables that have seen better days. The Signal Flex brand has a reputation for providing solid components, and this 14-inch phone plug certainly upholds that standard. For anyone serious about their audio setup, investing in quality connectors like the SF05S is a smart move that pays off in performance and durability. It's a foundational piece for any DIY audio project, ensuring that the signal path remains clean and uninterrupted.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.